Now we are going to talk about how benzene looks like, right? How is the orbital picture of the benzene? How benzene looks like, right? अगर simple language में बोलो तो it looks like a spaceship, you know? जैसे स्पेसशिप उड़न खटोला हमारे सामने आ जाए तो कैसे हम देखते हैं एलियन, जब फॉर एग्जांपल क्रिश मूवी में एलियन बाहर निकलता है तो जो स्पेस क्राफ्ट आता है ऊपर और नीचे से ऐसी लाइट चमकती रहती है. दैट इज हाउ अ स्पेस क्राफ्ट लुक्स लाइक. बेंजीन वेरी सिमिलर टू दैट. मैं ऐसा सोच सकती हूँ कि बेंजीन इज लाइक अ प्लेट जिसमें ऊपर और नीचे देर आर इलेक्ट्रॉन्स. नाउ हाउ डू आई एक्सप्लेन दिस इमेजिनेशन टू यू? I'll put it on the paper by presenting the orbital picture of benzene to you, right? How is the orbital picture of benzene? Benzene contains 6 carbons, correct? It contains 6 carbons, right? Now, always remember that whenever we talk about carbons who are attached to a double bond, alkene मतलब alkene, correct? तो जब भी हम बात कर रहे हैं कार्बन इज अटैच्ड टू अ डबल बॉन्ड दैट इज अल्कीन, तो डेफिनेटली दे शो sp2 हाइब्रिडाइजेशन. दे शो sp2 हाइब्रिडाइजेशन. sp2 hybridization and sp2 hybridized they show triangular geometry. मतलब the orbitals are dispersed in space like this: sp2, sp2, sp2. This is one sp2, sp2, and this is the third sp2, and they show what geometry? Triangular, and the bond angle is 120 degree, right? अब क्योंकि बेंजीन में कार्बन्स हैं और कार्बन्स कंटेन डबल बॉन्ड्स, ऑल ऑफ देम ऑल्सो शो sp2 हाइब्रिडाइजेशन. अब इधर नजर डालिए. सी 1, 2 and 3 triangular geometry of sp2 hybridized carbon. Suppose I do it for the second carbon 1, 2 and 3. I do it for the third carbon 1, 2 and 3. I do it for the fourth carbon 1, 2 and 3. I do it for the fifth carbon 1, 2 and 3. I do it for the sixth carbon 1, 2 and 3. Correct? So this is how all the carbons in benzene look like, right? So see each. Now look at this structure also simultaneously. So what is formed here? Suppose I will write it like this, correct? This is nothing but an sp2 overlap की वजह से एक सिग्मा बॉन्ड बन गया. A single bond which can be called as a sigma bond. तो ऐसे कितने सिग्मा बॉन्ड्स है बेंजीन में? अभी right now we can see 6 sigma bonds, right? Plus बेंजीन इज नथिंग बट C6H6, राइट? तो हर एक कार्बन पर एक हाइड्रोजन. दिस सर्कल इज रिप्रेजेंटिंग अ हाइड्रोजन, अनदर हाइड्रोजन, थर्ड हाइड्रोजन, फोर्थ, फिफ्थ एंड सिक्स्थ, राइट? सो हियर अगेन आई कैन सी हाइड्रोजन, 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 हाइड्रोजन एंड हाइड्रोजन, करेक्ट? सो दीज आर 12. पहले 6 काउंट किए, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. I can see 12 sigma bonds in benzene because all the carbons are sp2 hybridized, and every time the overlap is sp2 overlap and they form a sigma bond. Now imagine this is like a plate. This is like a ring. कार्बन 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 जुड़े हुए और बाहर से हाइड्रोजन्स जुड़े हुए हैं, राइट? नाउ when I say sp2 hybridization, so there always remains a p orbital. There always remains a p orbital left. So how do I represent the p orbital now? See, मेरा अगर ये plane है तो p orbital lies like this. It looks like a dumbbell above the plane and below the plane. Suppose this is my plane and this is my p orbital. This is 1. This is another p orbital 2. Correct? So look at how I will represent it on the piece of paper, right? This is, for example, my p orbital. I am darkening my p orbital, okay? So that we can understand this is the p orbital. This is the darkened one is the p orbital. So you should know that it is lying above and below the plane. It is lying above and below the plane. Correct? When I am seeing this structure, it gets mixed up. So I do the same thing again on this structure for all of you. See, now look at this p orbital. It will be very clear to you now on this structure. Right? Right? And these p orbitals, they undergo lateral overlap by means of sigma bonds. By means of pi bonds. Do watch my videos on ionic and covalent bonds so that this is clear to you, right? So this is how they overlap. See, for sigma bonds, the overlap is a head-on overlap, whereas when there is a pi bond, see, this is like a p orbital, dumbbell shape. The overlap is lateral like this. तो ये जो p orbitals हमको दिख रहे, see, for example, can you see this? They will form a double bond. See, you should not say that these are triple bonds. ये है, see, for example, this is one p orbital, this is another p orbital. Correct? These are two p orbitals. They have 2 point of attachments, but bond remains one only. जो टिक 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 हमको दिखती है ना, dotted line, it is saying that they have the point of attachments are 2, but the bond is 1. So this is one, for example, a double bond. Another double bond I can represent like this. Another double bond like this. Right? So in the beginning I was telling you a plate-like structure, और ये p orbitals are lying like this all over, and above the plane and below the plane there are nothing but pi orbitals are whirling. पूरे pi orbitals मतलब pi electrons, मतलब negative charge. तो benzene is rich with electrons. This is what the orbital picture tells us, that benzene looks like a plate, and all the p orbitals are lying on each carbon, and above and below the plane there are pi electrons. That means those electrons which are present in the pi orbital, right? And hence benzene is a highly electron rich structure. मतलब भर भर के ऐसी प्लेट है, ऊपर भी पूरा, जैसे हम फॉर एग्जाम्पल कुछ अच्छी सी मिठाई बना रहे हैं एंड वी आर गार्निशिंग विथ लॉट्स ऑफ कैश्यूज एंड बादाम्स, वैसे ही हमारा ये प्लेट है एंड देर आर लाइंग अ लॉट ऑफ पाई इलेक्ट्रॉन्स अबव एंड बिलो द प्लेन, राइट? देर इज मोर स्टोरी अटैच्ड टू बेंजीन. कीप वॉचिंग, कीप लाइकिंग दीज वीडियोज. सी यू सून.